What is poppin', everyone? We are currently in Barcelona. Barcelona is absolutely amazing. This is my first time in Spain and I'm loving it. So I'm gonna do a little montage of Barcelona, the nightlife, sightseeing, the daytime, all that type of stuff for you guys and show you guys how I've just been trading over here. I've been absolutely loving trading abroad, guys. Trading London here in the mornings is literally OP. Wake up in the morning, don't get faked out by any pre-London bias. Find a setup, execute, and just runners of England absolutely crazy. So I'm gonna do a trade breakdown after the montage of this trade I called this morning during London session. Called a 20 pip sell first and it hit TP1 and I saw it reacting off of the support level and called buys and went like 70 pips, no drawdown. So I'm not gonna spoil anymore. We're about to get into that. And I hope you guys like all the videos of Spain and of Italy though. I hope you guys like the last video of Sorrento. So next is Ibiza. We're gonna do a video on Ibiza, guys. We're gonna obviously continue trading over there. And Ibiza is about to be absolutely insane. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys learned something from the video, and I hope you guys like the little montages of all the places I've been going to. So love you guys. Thanks for all the support. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.
Wolf, please don't do it to him.
She like to twerk in my face while I'm grabbing her waist. It smell like bonito. I cut her off for a day, it went straight to her brain. Sit it back like a veto. She know I get that green like I'm CeeLo. Nigga touch me, he get stiff like he Lilo. I light it up, make his ass catch a heat stroke. What's Champ dick name? Baby Deebo. She like to twerk in my face while I'm grabbing her waist. Told her give me a break for a minute. I cut her off for a day, it was just like cocaine. It went straight to her brain for a minute. I don't care what day, what place, I'ma hit it. On the freeway, broad day, I'ma hit it. Rain, rain, go away, either way, I'ma hit it. You got 2 chains, of the claim, I'ma hit it.
Ay, okay, let it be known. I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you understand G.O.D. Make me this cold and I'm talking like no degrees. This ain't a fluke, I seen it way before it ever happened. He gave me the view. I had to put in my time on the TV, it coming in soon.
What is poppin', everyone? Welcome to the trade breakdown. Like I said, I'm gonna go over the 2 trades I called today during London session. Both of them were absolutely beautiful. We caught nice sells to TP1, almost at TP2. And then, like I said, I saw price reacting off of the support, reversing, and I called it nasty sniper buys right here, where we got a nice 1 to 4. So I'm gonna go over that right now, break it all down for you guys right now. Like I said, I'm in my Airbnb in Barcelona. I love trading London session here, waking up, not getting faked out with pre-London bias, like I said, and just being able to catch absolute bangers. So let's go through both the trades, guys. This one's gonna be a little less, this video is gonna be a little less short than the last one, just because the last one I was trying to explain my strategy a lot more. This one is just, you guys should see how I'm able to use the strategy now to catch trades like this, absolute bangers. So let's go into it right now. So like I said last time, I have my 2 different charts. We have the blue chips and then we have the blank chart. I have the trade already marked up on here because I'm actually going to replay it and show you guys why I took the trade. So let's just get into it. So first we took the sells in this area. So let's replay it when price was over here. So what did I see? Well, off the bat, when I woke up and was looking at GJ, was seeing a possible head and shoulders being created. So if you guys are unfamiliar with the head and shoulders, basically you get the right or the left shoulder right here, the head, this is the neckline, and then if you get the break of the neckline, you can take shorts because, I mean, just look it up. I'm pretty sure you know what a head and shoulders is, but I was potentially seeing this head and shoulders pattern form, so I was waiting for more confirmations and was thinking, well, if we break below these lows, we could easily get sells down to these lows, if not break and get clean traffic to the downside. So we were being patient. I really liked how price came, hit off the support, came, and was respecting this ASMA. So if we just keep playing it, this is about where I got in the trade. I think on the 1 minute is where I really executed. Like you guys always know, I like executing on the 1 minute. So SMAs were all in our favor. We were trading below all of them. Had a nice retest and breaking down, and I think we got in prematurely. Obviously, break of these lows would have been valid, but I was overall just seeing short. So got in the trade, and we flew to TP1. It was barely any drawdown, honestly. So flew to TP1, almost hit TP2, and we broke lows, guys. And then this is where we called nasty buys. So go to a 5 minute, we started respecting this 200 SMA. Told the group, let's see what this 200 SMA is going to do. And as you can see, price obviously respected it, came back to break even. And I told my members before that it even happened that like when price was respecting the 200 SMA, that we could easily get a retest of this neckline to continue down, because honestly guys, these are the trades that we try and catch. This is the ideal entry you get on the retest, minimize your drawdown, and then just get nice shorts to the downside. So I told everyone that I was holding, like I was thinking about getting that break even, but like I wanted to wait to see what price was doing in this area first. So closed like a little bit of partials in this area, and my runner came back to break even, and I ended up holding it past break even and was telling people I'm going to wait to see if it respects the 50 and the ASMA, and if not, we'll see what happens. So we started breaking above it, and I said, all right, I'm getting now that we're back up in this area, we could get like a nice push back to these highs and maybe come and fill this push down. So I was like, I'm staying out of this one. But hold on. I'm basically, price after that happened came and went back down to TP1. So it was a nice break, retest, and then continued back down to like where TP1 was. But this is where I started seeing buys, guys. Why? So we're coming back down to where the 200 SMA is. Not only that, but we're failing to break lows. So we're making like a low, like, we came back up, we're coming back down to the these lows, but we're failing to break them. So, with my SMA strategy, and like I said, you just, like, if we have this big down channel, guys, in my opinion, we had to get a nice pullback. And I'll show you why in a second, because it was the 30-minute time frame that really was my, like, big confirmation. So came back down TP1, started respecting the 200 SMA again, and this is where I literally called the trade right here. So right when I saw price doing this, I go to the 5 minute, I was like, we're respecting the 200 SMA, which is a really strong confirmation. Then I go out to the 15 minute, I'm like, we're respecting the 50 SMA, really strong confirmation. Go out to the 30 minute, we're also respecting the 50 SMA. Go out to the 1 hour, and we're hitting off the ASMA, look at, we're respecting all these SMAs. But it was really the 30 minute that I'm going to show you guys that, in my opinion, look at price right now. When I saw it have this, like I said, on a higher time frame, that left shoulder head, in my opinion, if price had this big push down, yes, these wicks do kind of count as like retesting these like equal highs to continue down, but in my opinion, it was less likely that we have this nasty push down, break lows, and then just keep dropping. No. In my opinion, I was like, this is a really good area to come back up before potentially coming back down to the downside. So that's when I was like, well, we could possibly get very, very nice buys. So once again, let's go back down to the 5 minute. I literally called the trade. I'll put out a little screenshot of it, but it literally looks exactly like this. Like literally looks exactly like this. And I was like, buy GJ. I think my entry was 960. Mine was like 955, I believe, but I called it at 960. And then obviously we started to fly. Literally no drawdown. Never came back down to entry. And then once we started doing that, guys, is when like obviously you can also draw your little trend line down. And basically we're anticipating the break of that before it was even happening. And obviously, guys, we ended up flying to a nice 1 to 4. So you can go right here, up, and yeah, we hit a nice 1 to 4 trade this morning. And I told everyone once it came up to this area to take 50% of your trade out, because we were back up in this area, which was, in my opinion, a supply zone. So I was like, we could easily get sells in that area. And then what happened? The CPI numbers ended up coming out. So I'm glad I closed 50%, and it ended up dumping all the way back down to entry, all in like one freaking candle, like a 70 pip candle. And then I ended up actually telling my group that this could potentially just be a break and retest of this like support to then continue back up. So called that out to everyone, and then obviously we're going to play it, and it ended up just absolutely continuing to fly. But I ended up getting out of the trade a little earlier. I only had like one lot running still, and I closed it just back up in this area because I was happy with my profits, had this profits, and then obviously this beautiful 1 to 4 profits, and got took 50% out literally at the perfect area, and I called it to the entire group. So it was just absolutely beautiful. So once again, guys, trading is about being simple and just simplifying it and being able to just, use the little things you've learned in the past. Once again, candles and like pairs do the same things consistently all the freaking time. So being able to identify when it's doing certain things and going, well, it's dumping right now. Yes, we could break these lows and continue down, or get a nice, pull back up to then continue down. Because once again, like I said, guys, 10, 20 pips will change your life. But what was this? This was like 70. From entry up to here was 76 pips. So absolutely beautiful. It was like a 16 pip stop loss. And you caught a nice 76 pips just from this. Look at that break, retest of this nice trend line, respecting the 200 SMA, and then just absolutely flew, guys. So once again, if you're not in the free signals or premium signals chat, I'm going to put the links in the description. They're always there. Make sure to like and subscribe. Obviously, going to have a lot more videos dropping. This is just a nice, simple breakdown for all you guys of these two beautiful trades. We're on like a 7 trade winning streak. We're 13-3 for July, which is absolutely amazing. And I think we have only one break-even trade also. So it's like been absolutely killing it in July, and we're going to keep it up. So join the gang, keep subscribing. I'm going to have a lot more videos explaining these simple trades that I keep catching, multiple 10s to 20s to 50s of pips, multiple risk reward trades consistently during lemon session. And like I said, doing it here during the day in the mornings is literally OP. Like literally, it's overpowered. So once again, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little breakdown of these two trades. Like, subscribe, and we're going to have another video coming out soon. So just beware. Make sure to follow my Instagram and DM me with any questions, guys, or leave a comment about any questions about this trade, past trades, or anything about the group, or just leave something you liked or learned from this video. Peace and love, everyone. Love every single one of you. Thanks for the consistent support. It means the world. Peace, and catch you on the next video.